Gaan gou my boek gaan haal. Okay. Ehm. Kom ons probeer vandag iets anders. Ek wil nie nou co-host nie my maatjie. Ek wil kyk of ek vir julle die kant toe kan sit. Flip camera. Asai. Ek gaan nou net vandag vir julle inkleur. Ooh. Wat 'n prentjie wil ons hê julle? Wat 'n prentjie wil ons inkleur? Hallo. Dis cool. Well, there's a test color page. Look at that. There's a test color page. So you can see what your colors look like. Um, happy solstice, well, not solstice. Happy solar eclipse, everyone. Happy Chinese New Year or Asian New Year. Easter New Year. Happy Easter New Year. May you guys have an amazing year. Welcome to the year of the unicorn. I'm calling it a fire unicorn. I have an idea my Substack is broken. Jy kan solank na daai prentjie kyk. Kyk solank daarso. Okay. Ehm. Ek weet nie hoekom my Substack nie regtig werk nie. Maar oh well, it is what it is. Hoe gaan dit daar met julle vandag? Goeiemôre. Hallo, welkom. Hey Elliot. How's it going? Welkom Sydney. Lekker dag vir julle. Wat 'n prentjie moet ek inkleur? We're coloring pictures, by the way, Substack. And just waiting for Amber to arrive. Ooh, rolling with my homies. Die enetjie het nou my aandag vir die tweede keer getrek. Ons gaan vir padda doen. Vandag is 'n padda dag. Dis Dinsdag, maar dis padda dag. Kom ons begin hieronder. Hier is nie 'n lekker potlood vir inkleur nie. Ons gaan hom nie weer gebruik nie. Sien, ek moes hom op die test color getest het. Daai is nou absolute fok op. Nou moet ek nou maar aangaan. Hallo Jacobus. Jessie, daar's 'n paar interessante name alweer vandag. Hallo julle. O, ek moet vir julle sê van my giveaway. Hy moet daar staan. This is for tomorrow, né? Hierdie is nie nou nie, hierdie is vir môre. Ag nie vir môre nie, vir donderdag, maar kom ons kyk of julle kan lees. Ek wonder wat gaan aan. Substack? What's going on with the Substack today, guys? Goeiemôre. Hello random stuff. How's it going? Hello my Bliksem Queen. Jessie, uiteindelik 'n vriendelike gesig. Jessie. Dinge gaan doodstil hierso by ons. Hoe gaan dit met jou? Hoe gaan dit met die babies? Okay. I got it. Yay. Nou net gekyk. Ehm Daaiene. Okay, so daar is mense. Okay, well, ek weet nie hoe werk hierdie dinge nie. O, so daar's iemand. Okay, never mind. Okay. Hoe gaan dit hierso? Bliksem Queen sê, "Well, Bliksem Queen, dit is eers vir die 19de, nê? Vandag is net informasie. Maar as jy die 19de gaan ek 13:30 lees die instruksies. Maar I know ek sal jou laat weet. Ek sal jou 'n reminder stuur. Ehm ja, I did, yes. Amazing. Okay, weet jy wat? Ek gaan hierdie hierso hou met my bottel. So. Nee, dit werk nie. Ek oefen so lank. Dis reg. Maar net sodat jy weet daai only once hint hint. As enigiemand 2 keer gaan comment, dan gaan hulle nie deel wees van die giveaway nie. If you don't follow instructions, you can't win. Yes. Dis nogals crazy. Ek leer deesdae al hoe meer lesse. Mense volg nie instruksies nie. Hulle doen wat hulle dink hulle moet doen en maar hulle luister nie mooi nie. Hallo, soms ghost TikTok comments. Dis waar, partykeer gooi dit weg, maar dan ek sal die persone se name sê. Ek sal die persone se name neerskryf wat ingeskryf is. Hoe's dit? Ek sal op my whiteboard sal ek almal se name net neerskryf. Maar jy moet asseblief vir my 'n guns doen en dit share met maatjies want I need to get the viewers going. Maar anyway, ek gaan verder gaan op Substack. Dankie vir die repost, girl. Yes, I appreciate you. Hoe gaan dit vandag? Wat is jou planne vir vandag? Wat maak julle vandag? Laat ek so maak, dan kan ek comments sien. Encourage your viewers to tap. Okay. TikTok sê vir my ek moet julle sê julle moet my screen tap. Julle is meer as welkom. Here to support Milani. Hello, Kay. How you doing, girl? I'm doing good. I'm I'm having a lekker day so far. Been chilled. I'm halfway through watching my Reiki. By the way, if you guys want to know what Reiki looks like, this is what Reiki looks like. You just lie there. I was sleeping here. This is what Reiki looks like. You just sleep. You just lie there. Wait. Oh, it doesn't want to play. Oh. What's going on? What? Anyway, but that's what Reiki's like. You just lie there and do nothing. Hello again, Hillary. Yesy. Good morning again. Welcome back. How are you? I can also just have you guys point at. Ooh, that's gonna be it. No. Never mind. I decided against it. Um. Oh, see, it didn't send the email. Oh, it did send the email. Well, that means that everybody who was here the other day does not want to come back. So thank you to the one person who I have no idea is watching. What am I doing? I was coloring a picture and then I decided against it because nobody was really here, so it wasn't very interesting. And I thought to just go back to my. Oh, you know what I can do? I can read stuff. Coloring is so soothing, but I'm here, Moss. Okay, so I'm gonna read. You're here. I appreciate you. See, now that you're here, now I can do other stuff. Let's have Substack live here so you guys can actually see me. We're gonna join my live on this side. No, don't do that. Okay, so you guys